and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Haitian Chocolate Beauty and welcome to this video. So today we're gonna be doing my face. As you can see, my curls are popping. I'm gonna let them naturally grow and become bigger instead of manipulating it right away. So if you want to see how I did that, the video should be up by now. It should be up. I'll put it down in the link. I will put the link in the description below. I cannot talk today. So if you're ready to see what I'm gonna do to this bad face, stay tuned. I'm gonna start by prepping my face with the No Pore Blem Priming Water by Touch and Soul. My face is already washed and already moisturized, so this is just a primer. I like to add this around my cheeks area. I pat it in. I'm using the Mented Cosmetics Take a Bow Highbrow Precision Pencil in the shade Black. I'm gonna sculpt out these brows using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. So I'm gonna use the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. Beautiful palette. I am gonna use Jamata. I'm gonna use I feel like I gave it like a Haitian accent. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm just gonna build it up. No blending yet. I use the BH Cosmetics by Sylvia Ghani Beauty. And I'm gonna go in Underrated with the same brush. I'm gonna, Ooh, Underrated. I didn't know it was gonna pack a punch like that. Ooh. That is, wow. I'm gonna use another brush to blend it all together. These are two different colors. And it's blending so perfectly. I'm surprised. You use a little Kufuru, which is this color right here. I'm just gonna, Kufuru and Jamata kind of help blend out the darkness. Not blend out, blend in darkness. And now we're gonna do a little cut crease. I love cutting my crease. Colors are all blended out. Let's cut some crease. Go back in this palette. I'm gonna take Hazel. So this is Hazel and Bear. Hazel and Bear. Put that in my lip. I actually really like the formula. It's my first time using it. I had bought it, but never used it. Wow. Like, I really like the formula. It's crazy. I'm gonna go back with Underrated some more. just to create a little bit of color on top of this so it doesn't look so brown, because this is bright. And then I'm gonna take the Starlight by Liquid Eyeliner by LA Studios and put that on piece over here. That's all she wrote on the eyes. Now I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery Lollipop Liner. Oh, Beauty Bakery is black owned. Minted Cosmetics is black owned, just so you guys know. So with our base, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me on 375 Java and 380 Espresso. Concealer, I'm using the same concealer, LA Girl Concealer in Chestnut. Just gonna the Minted Cosmetics bronzer out of Office. Use a sponge for the powder. Usually pat down the sponge and then under my eye. I like using the sponge because it has the curve that goes great for under your eyes. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Blush Palette. And I'm gonna go with this one right here. I'm gonna use the NYX Finishing Matte Spray because if I use so much powder, I want my, I don't want it to look cakey, so I'm gonna use a spray to matten it down. After it has calmed down, I'm gonna use this highlighter. It's just one of the highlighters in a palette. It's Bay Area Pressed Powder Highlighter. I don't remember where this is from. Couldn't agree on a kind of lip to put on my lips, so I decided to just go with lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So much better, 100 times better, a million times better. Let me put on my lashes and do my under eyes and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I just added a little bit more highlight. I took my hair down and I put on some lashes. I used the Jasmine Brown Allure Linden and I put some of the, what is it called? The BH Cosmetic Underrated under my eyes, put on some mascara, and there you go. This is the look. you guys so much for watching, and remember, you are loved and you are appreciated and you are beautiful. Thank you for being here with me, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.